Why does lab safety matter? Think about it. In the world of scientific exploration, where curiosity and discovery reign, lab safety often serves as the unsung hero. It's the invisible shield that protects scientists, students, and lab technicians alike from potential hazards. But what exactly does lab safety entail? It begins with preparation. Before stepping foot into a lab, familiarize yourself with the layout and the equipment. Understand the location of emergency exits, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits. Knowledge in this case isn't just power, it's protection. Next, dress for the occasion. Lab attire isn't about fashion, it's about safety. Loose, flowing clothes might be great for a beach day, but in a lab, they could be a hazard. Stick to fitted clothing. And remember, closed-toe shoes are non-negotiable. Protecting your feet from spills or dropped objects is crucial. Now, on to personal protective equipment or PPE. Depending on the nature of your lab work, this could include gloves, lab coats, safety glasses, or face shields. Never underestimate the power of PPE. It's your first line of defense against chemical spills, burns, or other accidents. After dressing appropriately and donning your PPE, it's time to review your experiment or procedure. Understand each step before you begin. If you're unsure about anything, don't be shy to ask. Remember, in a lab, there are no stupid questions, only dangerous assumptions. Now you're ready to begin your experiment. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. Rushing can lead to accidents. Handle all equipment and chemicals with care. Always use tools and machines correctly, and never use any equipment you are not trained to use. While working, keep your workspace clean and organized. A cluttered lab bench is a recipe for disaster. After each step of your experiment, clean up any spills and dispose of waste properly. And always store chemicals in their designated places. Finally, even with all these safety measures in place, accidents can still happen. That's why it's important to know how to respond. From chemical spills to equipment malfunctions, understand the correct response to each potential hazard. And if an accident does occur, report it immediately, no matter how minor it may seem. To summarize, lab safety begins with preparation. Dress appropriately, wear your PPE, understand your experiment, and work slowly and carefully. Keep your workspace clean, store chemicals properly, and know how to respond to accidents. Lab safety might not be the most exciting part of scientific exploration, but it's undoubtedly one of the most important. It's the foundation on which all other scientific work is built. So whether you're a seasoned scientist or a student just starting out, remember to always prioritize safety. Because in the world of science, safety isn't just a guideline, it's a way of life.